So a really cool affirmation that I use whenever I want something, especially when I want to buy something for me, is the next one. This is already mine. It's already for sale. I accept it. My subconscious mind accepted, and I receive it. And you repeat this thinking about that thing that you want to buy or to attract in your life, and you repeat it on and really feeling that you already have that thing. For example, I did this with an armchair that I desired, and it was really expensive, and I said to myself every day that this armchair is mine. It is for sale and I accept it. My subconscious mind opens up and receives it. And I imagine myself standing in that armchair, doing my live sessions from there, reading from there, and everything like feeling, thinking, and being as already that armchair was mine. And the next weekend, so I did this for a week, and the next weekend I received it. My partner bought it as a present for me. You can do the same with whatever you want, and you feel like you would never gave so much money on it, or if you don't have the money in that moment to buy that thing, you can experiment with opening your subconscious mind towards already having that object, that thing in your life. Hope this was useful. Try it and share with me how that felt.